Are you looking for the pool lights? In this video we will look at some of the 7 pool lights on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GT Brighter LED Pool Lights. Introducing the GT Brighter LED Pool Lights, the perfect addition to your above-ground or in-ground pool. With a power of 20 W, these pool lights are brighter than ever, providing you with a vibrant and colorful pool experience. The Smart App control allows you to easily adjust the colors and brightness and even sync the lights with your favorite music. Say goodbye to unresponsive remotes. The GT Brighter pool lights are designed with 153 high-quality light beads, ensuring a stunning display of 16 million adjustable colors. Installation is a breeze with 3 solid fixing methods: suction cups, magnets, or suspension ropes. Plus, with a 2-year warranty and 24/7 customer service, GT Brighter has you covered. Transform your pool into a mesmerizing oasis with the GT Brighter LED pool lights. Number 2. Lemon Best Pool Lights. Lemon Best submersible pool lights are the perfect addition to your above-ground pool. With their upgraded design, these rechargeable LED lights can be installed without draining the pool, making them convenient and hassle-free. The magnetic charging feature eliminates the need for batteries and ensures a secure connection. These pool lights are 100% waterproof, preventing any leakage that could be harmful to your child's health. With 16 stable colors and 6 dynamic modes, you can create a vibrant and enjoyable atmosphere in your pool. The remote control allows for easy timing and brightness adjustment, making it effortless to set the mood for any occasion. With a wide range of applications, these pool lights are a versatile and durable choice for your pool. Number 3. Sonoton Pool Lights. Sonoton LED pool lights are the perfect addition to your pool for a vibrant and colorful swimming experience. With 33 LED lights and 10 W power, these pool lights provide maximum brightness for your pool at night. Made with high-quality ABS plus PC material, they are ultra-durable and can last for over 80,000 hours. The lights can be easily assembled in 2 ways, either magnetically attaching them to any metal surface or using glue on the back shell for non-metal surfaces. The built-in transformer core ensures safe operation with both 110V and 12V power supplies. The lights are also IPX8 waterproof, making them safe for use underwater. The best part is that you can control these lights with a mobile app, allowing you to adjust colors, modes, brightness, and even sync them with music. Say goodbye to annoying and easily broken remote controls. Whether you have an above-ground or in-ground pool, Sonoton LED pool lights are the perfect choice to enhance your swimming experience. Number 4. LMLU LED Pool Lights with App Control. The LMLU LED pool lights are a great addition to any pool with its low-voltage system and smart app control. The lights offer a variety of solid colors and dynamic colorful lights that pulsate and change along with environmental sound and music. The outdoor pool lighting kit is made of ultra-durable PC material, making it highly resistant to cracks, heat, and chemical corrosion. With flexible installation, you can easily adjust the bulb's height without lowering the water level in your pool. Number 5. Vampian LED Pool Lights. Introducing the Vampian LED Pool Lights, the perfect addition to your above-ground or in-ground pool. With its flexible installation, no tools are required, simply hang or magnetize the light to your pool. The IP68 waterproof integrated sealed structure ensures durability and prevents rusting and staining. The 10W LED pool light offers 7 solid light colors, 2 color dynamic modes, and 3 brightness levels, allowing you to create the perfect ambience for your night swim. Control the lights effortlessly with the RF remote or button control. The 5V output voltage and waterproof plug make it safe for underwater use. Enjoy the magic and safety of the Vampian pool lights during your evening swim. Number 6. Floating Pool Lights with Colorful 10 LED Starfish Shape. These floating pool lights are waterproof, battery-powered, and have colorful 10 LED lights that offer 7 different colors. The starfish-shaped magnetic pool lights can be easily attached to the steel wall of above-ground pools and work well in both wet and dry places. They are perfect for swimming pools, ponds, aquariums, bathtubs, hot tubs, and parties as decorative lights, ambience lights, or night lights. The lights are easy to operate with the push of a button and have a calming gradient color shifting a mode. Number 7. Chlorstar Rechargeable Submersible Pool Lights. Introducing the Chlorstar Pool Lights, the perfect solution for adding a vibrant and colorful atmosphere to your pool, bathtub, shower, or fountain. With its flexible fixing methods, including built-in magnets, suction cups, iron plates, and a hanging hole, you can easily secure it in place anywhere. The pool lights offer 7 static monochromatic lights and various dynamic lighting modes, allowing you to create a mesmerizing light show. The rechargeable and full waterproof design eliminates the need for wires or batteries, providing convenience and safety. Control the lights with the push button on the light or the included RF remote control, which has a range of up to 32 feet. With its bright and high-quality LED beads, the Chlorstar pool lights are not only perfect for underwater decoration but can also be used for indoor and outdoor decorations. Elevate your pool parties, weddings, birthdays, and holidays with the Chlorstar pool lights.